Feeling today will be your day.
Ma, you said that yesterday and the day before.
Oh, did I?
Yes, you did. And I'm sure you say it again tomorrow.
No, I won't.
Why? Is it because you're certain that I'm going to get a job today?
No, it's because I'm certain tomorrow is Saturday.
You see me, I'm mistaken. Do you know my age? I'm not confused. I know what I'm doing.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you need job. And me too, I want to, freeze my body. So here I don't have bed here. So either you bend down or you sleep here or on my table.
Oh my God, you're such a pig.
You are telling me pig? The white one or the black one?
You're so disgusting.
Hey! And the painful thing, he told me, pig. Me pig? So answerable pig? P-I-N-K. Braco. You mean it? I'm asking you, I resemble Braco? Look. Why are you looking at my nose?
What?
Nothing. You inherited nothing.
Wait, what do you mean nothing?
I mean, apart from a few specific requirements, his assets goes to his first wife.
Wait, no. This can't be happening. I'm his current wife. And I'm entitled to half of everything. Right? My own mind was clouded with frustration that night.
How was your job hunt today?
Same as always.
What happened to your tongue?
Nothing, Ma.
Nothing. But it's done.
Nothing, Ma. Please just leave me alone. I want to be alone. Ma, leave me alone.
Okay. Have a nice rest.
Lord, Ma.
They often say, you don't know what you have till it's gone. Those hours I spent waiting to find out if my mom was gone were the worst of my life. Within those hours, I came to the realization that I would walk on the coals of hell to keep my mother alive.
My mother, how is she? What's happening?
She's fine. Pull yourself together. She suffered a mild heart attack, but she's stable now. She's going to be fine.
Thank God. Sorry, please, can we see her? Yes, can we see her?
She's sedated at the moment, but you could go see her when she wake up, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm so relieved. I thought I was going to lose her. Posh, chill. Everything will be fine, okay? She'll be okay.
Thank you so much for paying the bills. I'll pay you back.
You, Pa. Don't worry about it. What are friends for? You know what? You should pay me back as soon as you can. With interest.
What?
Apparently I'm broke. So, I'm trying to make smarter choices with little money I have left. Sorry.
Okay, fine. I'm going to pay you back. But that's when I get a job and I get paid.
By the way, my friend Anaya is hiring. You should go see her on Monday, you know.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
How much are all those doctors being paid these days? Did all the strike action pay off?
I don't know. Why do you ask?
I think I just spotted my next ex.
Most people thought Leila was a selfish, shallow gold digger.
Would you be okay?
But to me, she was a generous and loyal friend. She always had my back. So, with a friend like that, a mom who just cheated death, and a new job prospect, I thought things were finally picking up. For the first time in a long time, I was excited about my future. The next Monday morning, there was a good feeling in the air. After 6 years at the firm, Nanaya was about to taste the fruit of all her hard labor.
Good morning, sir. You wanted to see me?
Yes. Sit down. Dixon brought something to my attention this morning and it's rather disturbing.
Yes, I'm aware. It's not that big a loss if you ask me. You need someone more loyal and dedicated to help you run this firm.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the sexual harassment complaint Dixon is leveling against you.
What? This is ridiculous.
Don't bother lying. He came with a proof.
Is that all?
You did more?
No. This is simply out of context.
What other context will flashing your breast to your co-worker fit into?
I can explain. What happened was...
So you came, right? Let's do it.
Whoa. I didn't come here to have sex with you. I only came to explain to you that that is not the right way to talk to a woman.
You're no ordinary woman. You're a woman competing among men. Of course. So, I mean, that's how people want it, gender equality. So I have to talk to you like that. There's no hard feelings.
Good point.
Yeah.
But let me ask you one thing. Would you talk to Alote that way?
Alote doesn't have boobies. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have boobies.
Meaning, no.
Yeah.
So why ask me for sexual favors?
Well, because of boobies.
You are hopeless.
Me hopeless? Okay, listen. Listen. I took the other job, okay? So I'm surely gonna leave. We've been in this competition for almost 6 years. Why won't you, pat me off with something small? Give me some small token. Just something to pat me off, because we've been in this for a while. Pat me.
What do you want?
I like that question. What do you want? Show me your boobies.
Oh God.
It's the least you could do. I didn't ask for much. Show me your boobies. It's nothing. Look of you.
Fine. But let's make it a trade.
Alright.
You show me yours, and I'll show you mine. You can't see from this angle. His trousers were down. I swear.
Stop it, Naneya. You have no evidence to back your claims.
But
He is trying to get you fired by the organization. But I will not allow this to happen. All you need to do is to apologize to him and all of us move on.
Apologize? Can't you see what he's trying to do? He's trying to sabotage my promotion.
Your promotion? Who said you are out for promotion?
Why shouldn't I? I'm the best associate you have.
Indeed. Certainly yes. You are. But at this stage of your life, you don't need promotion. Soon and very soon, you will meet a man, you get married, you start making babies, and your focus will be on your family and your children. And you spend most of your time attending PTA meetings to make sure that the right thing is done by your children.
Wow. Sir, for the 6 years I've worked with you, I've come to admire you as smart, professional, and ruthless at times. But I would never have pegged you for a sexist.
I am not a sexist, Naneya. I'm being pragmatic. I'm being realistic. At this stage of your life, you don't need a promotion. I hope soon and very soon, you have your own firm or company and you practice. And then you come to understand that the decisions that I'm making for you right now is the best decision that will help you in your life and your practice.
Hopefully, that day will be very soon. I quit!
It was the hardest decision she had ever made, but Nanaya knew it was time.
Congratulations. You won the battle, but the war isn't over. I will fuck you up.
Hey, listen. That's not the right way to talk to a man, okay? And use a condom. Fuck me.
Hi. Coach, what are you doing here?
I'm here about the job.
Job?
As your assistant.
Oh, sorry. I just quit.
What?
But I'll be getting my law firm soon.
Soon?
Eventually. Do you have a lipstick?
Yeah, sure. Where are you?
Boss. Former boss. But long story. Do you want to have a drink?
But it's only 10 a.m.
You're unemployed and it's not like you have something better doing.
She was right. We were both unemployed. And we had nothing but time.
What? She was a little drunk. I didn't know where else to take her. So, you girls went out drinking without me?
We didn't go drinking. I went drinking. This one says she doesn't drink.
So, Portia, you are responsible for this.
How do you mean?
Obviously, you don't drink. So Nanaya here drank up all your bottles.
Oh, please, just shut up.
Portia, are you okay? Posh, how is Mom doing?
She's fine. She'll be discharged tonight and I need you to help me go get her.
Of course, Posh. What are we friends for? I'd love to do that. Look, Posh, Mom will be fine, okay? Everything will be okay. So, why is this one boozing for breakfast?
Because men are pigs.
Nanaya, not all men are actually pigs. There's still a few good men out there, you know.
Like the really good men who died and left you nothing. Or the really good men who sexually assaulted Posh.
Wait, Portia.
I told you not to tell anyone.
Oh. Freedom of drunk speech. Like.
Wait, Portia.
What did she just ignore her? Don't ignore her.
You see, that is the issue. We ignore all the bad treatment and take the punishment for being the weaker sex.
Look, girls. It's a man's world, an African man's continent, and a Ghanaian man's country. Just find a rich man that would, you know, spread you out proper.
You see, that is the problem with you. You always want a man to take care of you. If you had stayed in school, you wouldn't be a 23-year-old broke widow.
Hey, guys, come on. Let's just stop this.
Really? Okay. Oh. And Portia that stayed in school. Look at her.
Hey.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you guys. It's just that I feel so powerless at the moment.
I know exactly how you feel. When that man attacked me, I felt weak and helpless. All I could think of was how I could have punched him or something.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should punish them.
Listen, girl, see, I don't have the energy to do the popo or any form of...
No police, no legal drama. I mean, we'll punish them ourselves.
And how do you intend to punish them? And why are we even going to do that in the first place?
How? By threatening them into submission. By putting the fear of God and woman into them. Why? Because fear. Because revenge. Because fun. Because we're unemployed and we have nothing better to do.
Girl, are you listening to yourself? Because you sound crazy. How do you plan to threaten a man into submission with this your skinny self?
Simple muscle and firepower. And I know the perfect person to help us with that.
It all happened so fast. It was hard to tell if we were just joking around or actually plotting revenge.
They pull me low. We rise up high. Ejedi mechi no want to me. Osuma wo me fikra wo me. I'm gifted and lifted way up to the top. I dey move like tractor tire. Even on the rough road, I know they tire. But they let people kuje baya. Cause I'm hotter than fire. Fire burn. Fire burn. Fire burn. Fire burn. Fire burn. Fire burn, fire burning, fire burn. I have a story, I know they worry. And I was say haha, or chama say papa, yame ya dada. I believe in Baba. All you have to do is believe. My papa, he never deceives. Lift your hands up and receive it, believe it. Naminti and say that. Naminti and say that. Naminti and say that. Say that.
Where are you taking us to?
I didn't move like tractor.
We're almost there.
This is ridiculous. Let's just turn back.
We're already here. Let's just find out what she has to say.
She? Who is this mystery woman?
Tell us or else we are out of here.
Fine. Her name is Muni. I worked on a case she was involved in last year.
Involved how?
She was training to be part of the armed forces. A few nights to her supposed training to end, 3 of her mates ganged up and...
Oh God.
You know, but that's not even the actual case. After the whole incident, she started torching or something. She went crazy.
and started shooting at them.
Did she kill them?
No. But she was arrested and charged for attempted murder.
Oh, so you helped defend her?
No. I defended one of the guys who tried to rape her.
What? Nanaya, you defended a rapist.
Alleged rapist. It doesn't even matter. We lost the case.
Look, I don't even see how coming here helps solve the issue. Not only is she a crazy person, but she's a crazy person who hates you.
Yes, you can say that.
Who the hell are you people?
Lost, we are lost. We are actually on.
Hey! Inazaki, where do you think you're going? Huh? Hey! You! Look at me. I know you. You are that lawyer. Hey!
She came to apologize.
Yes, what? She came to do what?
Apologize.
Yes. A woman defending a pig? Proto, you!
I know exactly how you feel.
You were raped?
Not physically. No, listen. All I'm trying to say is, I know how you feel. We know how you feel. Okay, men have treated us really bad. We are here for your help. We need you to help us get revenge. We'll pay you.
Muni was a bit odd and a lot scary, but she was tough. I like that. I wanted to be like that. So did my friend.
Then the block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We the back and we the top, chow, we get the money everywhere we go back, man. Them still ask why, yo. Oh, why, yo. Them say we no go make them, then the block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We the top chow, we get the money everywhere we go back, man. Them still ask why, yo. One thing, oh why, yo. Them say we no go make them, then the block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We the back and we the top chow, we get the money everywhere we go back, man. Them still ask why, yo. Oh why, yo. Them say we no go make them, then the block wanna shine every day, God day, but we still they fly, yo. So high, yo. We the back and we the top chow, we get the money everywhere we go back, man. Them still ask why, yo. One thing, oh why, yo.
Attention! At ease. Well done, ugly faces. Are we ready for the task ahead? Well, since we are ready, there are some rules and regulations. The first rule is loyalty. We are fighting as a team. Second rule. We have a common enemy. Your enemy is my enemy. Her enemy is your enemy. We have one common enemy. Rule number 3. After you fought and shot, Charlie, you run! Capiche? Are we ready for the task ahead?
Yes, Mooney!
Are we ready for the task ahead?
Yes, Mooney!
Voila. You know, you girls are not as bad as I thought.
You know what?
I didn't think any of you would last me.
You're not too bad yourself.
Thank you. Anyway, so what is the plan?
We just want to scare the guys who messed with us.
What? No. See, we had our fun. Come on, girls, let's just go. We're done.
Done? We haven't even started yet, my dear. But we will need your weapons for a couple of days.
No. My weapons are my babies. Charlie, I'm not a player. They are not for play.
Okay, we'll rent them.
For what?
Tonight, we will go to Dixon's house and teach him a lesson.
Yes, I'm in. What? No.
Why? It'll be fun. Besides, no one is getting hurt, right?
Of course not.
Yeah.
We're just teaching him a lesson.
Teaching in care. See, well, you know what? Count me out. I even have to go pick Mom up from the hospital. Let's go.
Don't talk for her.
Don't speak for her either.
Guys, stop! If you want to go, madam, just go!
Okay, fine. I'm out of here.
Then I'm in. That's the only way you can get my weapon anyway.
Of course, so let's do this.
After I left the girls, I went to get my mom. When I got there, I was told to see the doctor.
I was asked to see you before checking my mother out.
Okay, she's good to be discharged for now, but there is a problem.
What?
Upon further observations, we discovered a wandering bone fragment in her thoracic cavity, which is dangerously close to her heart.
Thoracic cavity? Doctor, what are you saying?
I'm saying she needs a surgery to have it removed as soon as possible. It's a high-risk procedure and quite expensive, but without it, the fragment could cause a fatal damage.
Surgery? How long can she...
Every second is a risk.
Oh. Can you please tell me more about this surgery and how expensive and risky it is?
We need to take her outside the country for the surgery to be done on her.
The hits kept on coming. It was like every time I took 2 steps forward, I was kicked 4 steps back.
The drugs needed for the operations are also very expensive.
I will lie. No Rasta man more than me or no gangster above me. I will tell you. So you can run, but you can't hide. Do you understand me? So you go out, you come. Do you understand me? Yeah. So tomorrow, night go. So go and sleep. Huh?
Oh, Aina. Sister woman here, your help, you know.
You don't hear my help, but you owe me.
Aina, I go sort you out. I go sort you
Which
out.
time?
The point be say first one no na never beat me. E beat me crofo be tree me di.
But you remember you tree me di.
I know some people they tree me di before I tree you di.
Some people tree you di before you tree me di. What you they do no come to you.
Mama cries me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning I didn't know. You for be irate. Nanke beden why you be you for be irate. Takashina your dinner I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning I didn't know. You for be irate.